Hello there and welcome back. If you happen to be new, my name is Robin and I recently went shopping for vintage with some friends of mine and I'm super excited to share with you what I found. I feel like I found some really unique items this time around and I'm super excited about them. So let's jump into the haul. So many of you probably already know my thrifting friends, Nicole Garden and Jamie from Border Bananas. So we recently got together, we did some thrifting, we did some antiquing, and of course I'm always on the lookout for vintage items that I can decorate my house with, and I found some fabulous things this week. So we went to a good mixture of thrift stores and antique and vintage stores. We started off in Goodwill, and the first thing I have to share with you is from there. It's a cute little basket. They seriously had so many baskets that I wanted that it was really hard to choose, but since it was the first store, I was trying to be like super, conservative in what I was picking up. So I picked up this little guy. He was $2.99, and I just thought he was super adorable. I don't have a basket this size. I mean, it's not really big in circumference, and it's also kind of short and squat, and I just loved his little handles. And I also love the fact that he just looks a little rustic, like he's been around a while. So I thought that was a great little thing to pick up. All right, so the next thing I found was a salt and pepper shaker set. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with salt and pepper shakers. So when I saw this little set right here, I just could not pass it up. It's a little salt and pepper, and then it's got this little tray. It's like an individual sized little salt and pepper shaker, and I think it is so adorable. I can't remember how much this was exactly because they always take the tags off of everything, and I just don't remember, but I think it was around $5. And look at how unique it is. It's got like that very Art Deco kind of look with like the stepped glass sides. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that so much, but I think it's so cool. And then the tray itself is so adorable. It's got a divider in the middle. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that too well, but it's got some, design to it. And then look at the cute little handles. So this was a very fun find for me. I just think it's so adorable. All right, so the next item I picked up is a vintage timer. This says like 40s to me. I'm not quite sure if that's right or not, but it's kind of a chunky little thing. It's got, it's been used, and it actually still works. And I just think it is the coolest thing ever. So I'm going to be putting that in my kitchen. I adore the 40s, and to me this seems like it's like from the 40s. I could be wrong. I'm not sure if it's got any writings on it. All right, it says Lux Clock Manufacturing Company, Waterbury, Connecticut, USA. So yeah, I just thought it was cool. I saw it and fell in love with it right away. And of course, it's in white. And I think that is so fun. If it was in white or red or black, I probably would have picked it up. But I'm loving it. I think it's very cool. All right, so this next item is so cool. I think it is adorable. I've been on the lookout for more vintage cake toppers to go into my collection, and I found this one, and it's the biggest one I've found so far. It's got a cute little pink bow on the top, and then it trails down the back. Cute little trellis detailing with some flowers on it. Then it's got the little groom and the bride, and I just think it is so sweet. So I am loving this so much. I feel like I'm saying I'm loving everything, but I am. Next, I found some vintage photos. I'm always on the look for like 40s styled ones. I couldn't really find any, but then I found some, like a whole stack of ones where it was a wedding couple, which I thought goes really, really well with my little cake toppers. So I picked up two. They were $1 each. This one here. And look at that dress. And look at her flower bouquet. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. And then there is this one. I like this one because the lady is sitting, which you don't normally see. It's always like the guy sitting and the lady standing behind him. So I thought that was sort of unique. And she has also got a beautiful dress and a flower bouquet as well. I don't have any like this actually in my collection that are the darker color, the black color, and then are just plain, like, I guess postcard size, if you know what I mean, without the little stand on the back and stuff. So I was pretty excited about that, just to kind of mix things up a little bit. So loving those. The next two items I found at a thrift store, and everything was 50% off. These were marked $2.50 each. They're the sweetest little prints. There's this one here. Look at how adorable that is. Hopefully you can see that. And then there is this one. They're slightly different. There's all the same coloring. And then there's this one. They're slightly different. This one's got like the basket. And then this one, it's all in an urn. And I just love these. I think they are so cute. I like their little petite size. I like that it has the white frame with the white mat. And then just like the littlest tiny pop of color. I just thought they were just absolutely gorgeous. So, of course, I had to pick them up. There is a sticker on the back. The Buzza Company Craftakers. What? Craftakers. The Buzza Company Craftakers, Minneapolis, USA. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. But it's really cute. Love the background. This color is really pretty. And then it has these teeny tiny little holders, which I think is so cute. So anyways, both of these are such a great find, and I love them. So they were not very much at all. The next thing I found, I just fell in love with this. I have found wrapping paper in the past, but I've never found baby wrapping paper. Look at this. How adorable is this? It's just one little sheet, but I thought it would be kind of fun to like put it on maybe like a foam core board or something like that and use it as a background for like, I don't know, something on my shelf in my cubbies in my office. I can't talk. But I just thought it was super cute, and I absolutely adore these colors lately. Like, these are the colors I want to use in my office. My walls are already like this color, and I want to start adding a lot of pink. But seriously, I don't have a lot of pink items. So I'm on the hunt. So I thought this was really cute, and it adds that little pop of color to like the white show. So I thought that was really fun to find. So this next item is too large for me to hold up. It is a vintage mirror. I picked it up at one of my favorite stores that we went to. It was $20, which I thought was a really good price. So I will share with you a clip real quick. So isn't it beautiful? I just love it so much. I'll probably give it a little makeover. The stain color on it is a little dark for my liking. I'm going to see if I can't lighten it up maybe. I'm not really sure. But something will happen with it, and I plan to use it in my bedroom. I'm kind of going with like a hint at the 40s in that room. And Jamie and I were talking about the mirror, and we were thinking, she was saying that it kind of looked colonial, which it does. But to me, it also seems a little 40-ish to me. So I'm hoping that it will work for my stuff. But regardless, it's a great, great mirror. So I couldn't be more happy with that. All right, so I have 3 more things to share with you guys. And this next one, I think, is so cool. This I remember, it was only $10, which I thought was a steal. It is a vintage light fixture in this great, like, rusticy, kind of pewter metal looking. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. The bottom here turns. Can you hear it? That's how you turn it on and off. It does have some wires in the back, but yeah, so it'll definitely need to be rewired. But I figured at the very least I can put it on the wall and it can be like a decorative thing. Maybe put in a light bulb that is battery operated or something like that. I just think it is so cute. I love it so much. I wish there had been another one, but there was only one like this. They had another set that was in white, which was very Art Deco, but they wanted like $40 for a set of them, and they were like porcelain. They were gorgeous. Maybe if they're still there the next time, I might be tempted if I'm not buying anything else, but I was buying a lot at this store. So I settled for this one, and I couldn't be more happy. I just think it is so cool. I love all the details on it. I think it is super cool. So, loving this. All right, so this next item is actually kind of funny. I was already in line like paying for my stuff. And Nicole's like, did you see that print over there? And I'm like, no. So I can't remember if she grabbed it or if I went over and looked at it. Anyways, regardless, I saw it and I was like, yeah, I'm totally going to need this. And it is this print right here. And I am just in love with it. I think it is so cute. Hopefully you're not getting too much of a glare. I've actually been looking for artwork that has like women in it, like the vintagey sort of prints. I have one that's like from probably the turn of the century. It's all black and white. If you remember way back when I bought that, it's a really large one, and I absolutely love it. I have it hanging in my bedroom right now. But I've been wanting more to put on display and find, and this is absolutely perfect. I love her hair. I love the colors in this. I love her shawl and her dress, and look at the frame is even gorgeous. So this is absolutely perfect. It's giving me total 40s vibes. I don't know if that is like wishful thinking on my part, but it is. I think it feels 40s to me. So loving this. And I think it was under $10 if I remember right, which I thought was perfect. So the very last item that I have to share with you from what I picked up while we were shopping is my find of the day. I am so excited. It's a little large for me to hold up, so here is a clip. You guys, do you remember how much I love red suitcases? This is like my, like, holy grail item that I've always wanted. The circle suitcase. I can't believe I found it. And only for $20. I feel like I stole. Because I mean, it's a little rough. It's got some scuff marks on the front of it. It's got a stain, a smallish kind of stain on the inside, but it doesn't smell. It has the little red, white, and blue tag on it still. It is, I don't think I mentioned, American Tourister, which matches my other two red suitcases. This one says Tiara on it. I think one of my suitcases says Tiara as well. So that must be a distinction, like a, I don't know. I don't know about it. Anyways, but it does say it on it. I thought I would share that with you guys. But yeah, so now I have got two suitcases and the hat box, or the circle suitcase. Now the only thing left to find is the red train case. A little square, like, cosmetic one in the red. That's my goal now. I have the whole set. Well, there is one more. There is one more. There's the tiny one. That I don't have the tiny one yet. But it's all right. So anyways, I am just so thrilled with this that I cannot even tell you how thrilled I am. I'm just over the moon excited about it. So I did get a few things from Jamie that I wanted to share with you guys because I am thrilled with them. She like doubled my haul with the stuff that she gave me. Well, it's funny because we're always shopping for one another, and then we just kind of like collect it until we see each other again, and then it's like Christmas time every time we see each other. So anyways, I just have I will quickly run through what she gave me because it's awesome. So the first thing is another Holy Grail item that I've always been on the lookout, and it is the red Friggy with the lid. She had 3 of them, and she gave them all to me, and I am so excited. I seriously use Friggies like on a daily basis. I have just clear glass ones, and I have one set with like pink on it. I can't remember what it's called, but anyways, I've always been on the lookout for the red Pyrex Friggies. And there's 3 now. I have 3 in this little size. These are perfect for like, you cut up a cucumber and you only eat half of it. You put the rest of it in here. That sort of thing. So I'm constantly using it. So I'm so excited about these. The next thing she found for me is a whole bundle of twisty candles. Do you see that? There's like 4 red ones. There's a couple dark, like burgundy, almost purple, brownish purple colored ones. And then there is 2 short ones that are definitely like in a brown color. You see that? So cool. I love these candles. I found me another fork for my Starburst silverware collection. Oh, it's not going to come in. There we go. Isn't that awesome? This one's going into rotation in my kitchen as soon as I get it washed up. This is like, I like this handle. This is like one of my favorite handles with the little swoosh at the bottom. Yeah, so loving that. She gave me a little black and white enameled saucepan. I don't have this size, so that is awesome. Then this one, you guys, oh my gosh. A red and white percolator. It is enamelware. It's got the little innards in there so I can actually use it as a percolator. I love making coffee in percolators. I think it is so much fun. It smells amazing. It sounds amazing. And now I've got a red one to put on my stove. I actually have a white and black enamelware kettle over there. So I'm going to switch this out for the summer times. So my black one will be for the winter months and the red one will be for the summer months. And I'm so excited. So the very last item that she gave me is amazing. I am like obsessed with it. It is a vintage cookbook, but wait until you see the print. Like, I want to make this print into a fabric so bad. It is like perfect. Anyways, here it is. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? And then look at the side. Oh my gosh. Then the back. And I absolutely love it. So there's like a little insert on the beginning of like the chapter or whatever, and it's all in French. But then when you look at the next page and it goes through different things, it's in English. The names of the recipes are kind of like in a combination of French and English, but then the recipes are in English. So it's just a very odd book in that way. But it's cool. I mean, look at all these like gorgeous little line drawings. But seriously, you guys, this cover, I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at that print. It is gorgeous. I love it so much. This is going into my kitchen like right now. So those are all the items that Jamie gave me. So thank you, Jamie. I absolutely love everything that you picked up for me. I can't thank you enough. They're all perfect, like perfectly me. So thank you. And then of course you guys saw my haul for the day. All of my vintage goodies. So I am loving all of them. So I'm curious. I hope you guys will answer this question down in the comments. Of all the things that I picked up today, what is your very favorite thing? Like, if you had to pick only one item to bring home from the items that I picked up in my haul, which item would that be? Let me know down in the comments, because I know what I would pick of all the things. Like, everything is fabulous, but there's one that's like super fabulous. You know what I mean? So I'm curious if my super fabulous is the same as your super fabulous. So leave me a comment. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye now.